Navigating payment plans with debt collectors can feel daunting, but fear not. You have options to tackle this challenge head-on. When it comes to negotiating payment plans, knowledge is power. First, gather all relevant information about your debt, including the amount owed and the collection agency's contact details. Armed with this information, it's time to initiate contact with the collector. Be proactive and transparent about your financial situation. Explain your circumstances honestly and propose a realistic payment plan that you can afford. Remember, most collectors are open to negotiation and may be willing to work with you to find a solution. Consider offering a lump sum payment or structured installments over time. Ensure any agreement reached is documented in writing, detailing the terms and confirming the arrangement. Stay committed to your agreed-upon plan and make payments on time. Doing so not only demonstrates your commitment, but also helps rebuild your financial credibility. If you're unsure about negotiating on your own, seek professional assistance. Companies like ours specialize in helping individuals navigate debt repayment and can provide invaluable support and guidance. Don't let debt collectors overwhelm you. Take control of your financial future today by exploring your options and reaching out for support.